If you like Wendy's Frosties, then you're gonna love this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You might like Frosties, those delicious milkshake-like treats from Wendy's. I actually say milkshake-like because I actually don't think they're milkshakes. I actually think that Dave Thomas, the founder of Wendy's, actually designed the Frosty to be somewhere between a drink and a milkshake. I think it's actually meant to be served at a slightly warmer temperature, and that's because he wanted it to be more drinkable, but still use a spoon. So if you get a milkshake or something like a Blizzard, I think those are meant to be much thicker, like a McFlurry. But if you've ever had a Frosty, you know they're kind of melty, kind of smooth, almost drinkable. And that is intentional as far as I can tell. Now, something that I saw a commercial for was this little keychain here. So Wendy's was running a commercial that they have a keychain for 2024. And if you pick one up, you will get free Frosties. Free Frosties? Some restrictions apply. And so I was going through my local Wendy's to get a baked potato. What fast food place can you get a baked potato from? I know McAllister's has them, but it's not really fast food. Anyway, I love baked potatoes every now and then. And I saw the sign that said, hey, the Frosty keychain is here. And for $3, I decided to pick one up because it means that you will get a free Frosty Jr. anytime you go to Wendy's in 2024 and make some other purchase with it. Now, I think it's limited to one a day and one per order. So you can't just continue to order 4 meals for 4 different people, 4 different times in the same 5 minutes, I think. Definitely check your terms and conditions. But I actually don't really understand how this works because if I pull this out here, there's no barcode on it. It looks like a little Frosty, little keychain hole so you can put it right on your keychain. I guess maybe you just have to show it to them and they'll just be like, oh, I see you've got the keychain for 2024 and give you your Frosty. I would have thought you'd have to scan this, but that probably makes it really hard to use anywhere but the front counter. A drive-through wouldn't be able to do that early. So I think maybe you just order your spicy chicken sandwich and you say, hey, I've got the keychain for my Frosty Jr. and they add that on and then just don't charge you for it. And then you just kind of show it to them at the register. But if you want to pick this up, $3, imagine getting a Frosty Jr. every day in 2024, 365 free Frosties. Well, it certainly is a good deal from that standpoint. However, I doubt you will be going to Wendy's every day. And I bet some people get this with the intention of going and getting their free Frosty and forget that they ever have it and never actually use it. So I'm sure that Wendy's is happy to give away a little stuff to increase their sales. I think it's probably a pretty smart marketing campaign. But if you want this tiny little keychain to get yourself that delicious chocolatey treat from Wendy's, well, you can pick one up when you drive through the next time for $3. I'm not sure if you can buy it online, but if you can, I'll put a link to that in the description too. Peter Von Panda, out.